Hello everyone, I'm Dong Rongping from China Telecom, the project leader of the Catalyst project. Our project name is Scale Blockchain-Based Data Sharing with MEC. Our project champion is China Telecom, China Unicom, and Deutsche Telekom. Other participants are Asian Info, ZTE, China Academy of Information and Communications. Our project is aiming at solving the problems of data sharing between multiple operators. China Telecom and China Unicom have already co-constructed 400,000 base stations, but as of today, China sharing between operators are still facing lots challenges. Our team, based on China Telecom and Unicom's 5G sharing scenario, as well as Deutsche Telekom's data sharing scenario, summarize that the challenges are mainly from three layers: maintenance layer, operation layer, and user layer, which could cover all the data sharing requirements from multiple operators globally. Specifically, we are focusing on solving that. Firstly, how to ensure the base station information reliable and can be transmitted securely. Second, how to optimize network performance without directly sharing performance indicators. Third, how to utilize users' data with a secure protection on users' privacy data. Our proposed solution is to adopt a blockchain technology to store the data to ensure the transparency and reliability of sharing data on maintenance layer, and use smart contracts for efficient decision making. On operation layer, we manage the entire operation life cycle in a secure and automatic way with smart contract pre-written on blockchain. The contract and agreement could be easily settled without intervention of third party. On user layer, different operators are able to use other state for big data and analysis without having their data details. So we achieved the goal of making the data available but invisible. In the meantime, all the algorithm is open to related operators and the analysis result is trustworthy. In this way, users' privacy data is well protected. Besides, our project is investigating on deploying blockchain on edge cloud to achieve fast deployment. With our solution, disputes will be largely minimized. The response date time and the level of automation will be greatly achieved. We will explain more details in our 7-minute pitch video. We will keep updating the project status on Catalyst Space. Please scan the QR code to go directly to our Catalyst Space, where you can view additional content. Follow the project and contact the Catalyst team. Thank you.